Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to screen record on your iPhone. It is super handy for capturing tutorials, gameplay or anything you want to share. Let's get started. First, let's make sure screen recording is enabled. Open the setting app, tap on the control center and then customize controls. Add screen recording to your control center by tapping the green plus button. I'm currently using my screen recording, so it's added already. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen if you are using an iPhone X and later, or swipe up from the bottom if you are using an iPhone X and earlier to open the control center. Tap on the screen recording button. It looks like a circle inside a circle. A 3 seconds countdown will begin. If you want to record your voice, press and hold the screen recording button and tap the microphone audio button to turn it on. Then tap start recording. To stop recording, just open the control center and tap the red screen recording button again and tap the red status bar at the top of your screen and confirm by tapping stop. Your recording will be saved automatically to the Photos app. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your screen. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye.